Hello traders, this is Ani and welcome to the weekly outlook for week number 40 here, starting with the last couple of days of September. So September 29th, and then we start the fourth quarter as of October 1st. We'll be going into earnings season one more time. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones Industrials, and it's really not much has changed since I last spoke with you, except that it has become much more volatile, as you can see, and much more quickly rising and falling, which also could prove to be pretty dangerous. Let's take a look at this this bottom right here. Now it's triple quad, or whatever if you'd like to call it, but certainly has a pattern in here that we need to watch to make sure that it will hold. And of course the breakout is going to be very important above in this this area from the 17,204, 205 to 25 to 30 area. So that's going to be the other watch that we need to do. Right here, the 17,170, I think that's the 17,171. Then I have this drawn here. That's going to be the watch. Show 17,171. And then, as I said, this breakout is going to be important right here, and then up to the 230. And of course, as I mentioned, this is going to be important to watch. There are other support areas in between, like for instance right here, if we do pull back, and that would be roughly the 50% here, where generally speaking those turn the other back in from whence they came, as they say. Okay, so that's something to watch for, and that's why they become support areas, and fairly strong ones too. So not always does the 50% prove to be absolutely correct, but I do watch for this because many times it does work. Okay, let's take a look at SPX. SPX is bouncing here, of course, from this support, just much like the Dow Jones, and not much has changed here either. When this support line holds, then I would expect a reverse. But once again, this becomes the right here is the resistance area, and that could possibly again turn down one more time to test these levels. Maybe just to this part, but could be to here and even down to this trend. If none of these lines really are absolutely accurate, but they're close enough. And on the breakout, this is right here is the resistance line I see. Besides here being one, here's the another, of course, right in this region. And then we'd have to cross over to the 1997, 98, 2000 one more time. Another resistance. NDX, Nasdaq 100, is looking much like it is going to test this area one more time, possibly right down here. See if it can hold that. If so, then that could bounce back up to this region, maybe even stronger. Of course, right here is going to be where we have to watch for resistance on that side. If it continues moving up, then it would be up, and this is our next resistance level that I'm seeing, the 4080 area. So that's what to watch for the week, and trade it well and carefully as always. Good luck in the markets, and you'll find me as Omni Day Trades on StockTwits and Twitter, and my blog is daytradingwithani.com. Take care. Bye-bye.